Good morning, children. I welcome you all to this session of English literature in which we are studying drama Merchant of Venice, and we are on Act 2, Scene 4. Right? In Scene 3, we have seen a discussion between Lancelot and Jessica, and how Jessica is feeling it's a sin to be the daughter of a Jew like Shylock, and she wants to go away with Lorenzo and to marry him, become a Christian, be happy in her life. Here, Graciano, Lorenzo, Salarino, and Selenio are all together discussing about. Lorenzo says, "Nay, we will slink away in supper time, disguise us at my lodging, and return all in an hour." So Lorenzo is saying, "Yes, we will be slink away," means we will be eloping away in supper time, moving to Sherlock's house and then eloping with Jessica in the supper time. And let us all disguise ourselves and return all in an hour. Graciano, now, Graciano is still a little bit shaky and says, "We have not made group preparations because uh, the the Jews live in colonies, right? The Jews live in colonies. They look concentratedly, and from there, eloping with perhaps the most powerful Jew's daughter will be a very difficult thing because they might get recognized. If they are not recognized, then Jessica can be recognized very safely. Right? Salarino, we have not spoken us yet of torchbearers. That is, nobody has discussed about the torchbearers. Torchbearers are the persons who show the path, and there no discussion has been made about that. What's right? So torchbearer, you can call them as path bearers, path showers, right? Anything. Selenio. 'Tis vile, unless it may be quaintly ordered, and better in my mind not to undertook. Right? So Selenio says that it's vile. Yes, it's worthwhile that we should talk, unless it may be quaintly ordered means unless it might be pre-decided. Right? Quaintly ordered means it may be decided. Firstly and aptly, and better in my mind not undertook. And it is better that we should discuss on this first and do not overlook it. Undertook means overlooking it. Lorenzo, it's now but 4 o'clock. We have 2 hours to furnish us. Enter Launcelot with a letter. Friend Launcelot, what is the news? Lorenzo, say that it is 4 o'clock and now we have 2 hours to finish all these activities. And then they see Launcelot coming with a letter. Lorenzo says, Launcelot, what is the news? What is the matter? Launcelot, and it shall please you to break up this, it shall seem to signify. Launcelot said, yes, this is going to give you a lot of pleasure. So I request you to open this letter, and whatever is written inside it, see, it seemed to be of good use for you. It seemed to be you will be benefited from it. Signify means you will be it. The matter written is of lot of importance. Lorenzo, I know the hand in faith. It's a fair hand, and whiter than the paper it writ on. It is the fair hand that writ. So he says that I know this hand whose handwriting it is. It is a fair hand. It is the fair hand means hand of a woman, and whiter than the paper on it means that woman is very beautiful, and it is fair hand that writ. And now he says indirectly that this is the hand of Jessica. Graciano, love news. In fact, Graciano said, yeah, it may be a love letter or something quite like that. Lancelot, by your leave, sir. Lancelot says, I just want to go. Lorenzo, whither goes thou? Where are you going? Lancelot, marry, sir, to bid my old master, the Jew, to supper tonight with my new master, the Christian. So Lancelot said, yes, I am going there to bid my old master, means to call my old master, the Jew is Shylock, to supper tonight with my new master, which is Bassanio. Lorenzo, here, take this. So Lorenzo also gives him a ducat and asks him to tell Jessica, I will not fail her. Speak it privately. Privately refers to secretly here. Right? So he says that, and tell Jessica, I'm not going to fail her, and tell her this, that I'll be definitely coming. Exit Lancelot. Will you prepare for this mask tonight? I am provided for a torchbearer. He said, okay, let us make arrangement for the mask tonight. Mask is a party which is organized to commemorate some great event happening or some religious thing. It's a celebration kind of. And he says that I have been provided with a torchbearer. That it is clear that who will be the torchbearer. Selenio, hey Mary, I'll be gone about it straight, Selenio, and so will I. Says Selenio says that I am straight away going to get it ready for the mask. And Selenio says, I'll also Lorenzo meet me and Graciano at Graciano's lodging some hour hence, right? So Lorenzo said, you can come and meet us, me and Graciano at Graciano's house. Celerino, it's good we do so. Graciano, was not that letter from fair Jessica? Right? Lorenzo, I must need tell thee all. She hath directed how shall I take her from her father's house, what gold and jewels she is furnished with, what page suit she hath in readiness. So Lorenzo says, I think it's necessary that I disclose what all is written in that letter. And she has straightway directed me, she has straightway told me that how I have to take her from her father's house, and what all golds and jewels she's furnished means she's bringing with us, stealing rather. What page suit is a marriage dress, is sorry, not marriage dress, it's a kind of dress which she has prepared for herself. It was prepared by her mother, right? And she says that she will be wearing it and nobody will be able to recognize her, right? And he says that if Jew's father will ever come, because they hate so much that they cannot even imagine that a Jew coming to heaven. They believe that all Jews should go to hell. So saying if ever her father comes to heaven, it will be because of this gentle lady Jessica, right? And never dare misfortune cross her foot, right? His father will never allow any wrong. Misfortune refers to wrong things. Cross her foot, come close to her, unless she do it under this excuse, and says that unless she does that under this kind of situation, that she is the issue of a faithless Jew, that she is the issue of a unkind tyrant Jew. Come on, go with me, pursue this as thou goest. Okay, let us, yeah, Graciano to come with him, and let us see all this thing preparation being made. Fair Jessica shall be my torchbearer. And then he says that it is Jessica herself who will be the torchbearer and exeunt. And with that we come to the end of act 2 scene 4, which I hope you liked it as much as I did in making it. Until we meet again, it's a goodbye.